to the Blossom Crochet channel. I just want to introduce you to some absolutely incredible yarn. Now, I don't know how long this has been around. It could have been around for 6 months or it could have been around for 6 years. I don't know, but I've only just discovered it. And when I nipped into Hobbycraft to get some supplies for my daughter, I noticed these wonderful things sitting on a shelf, staring at me, practically begging me to bring them home. So of course I obliged. So as I say, these are from Hobbycraft, and this is the Knitcraft Little Dreamer range. Okay, so there's a few different shades. I think there's maybe 5 different shades, and I've gone, obviously, if you know me, you know me. I was always going to go for the rainbow. So this gorgeous colour is called Nap Time, and it's just these lovely shades, like pastel-y shades of the rainbow. And as you can see, if I bring it in nice and close, it is all edged with, so it's colour, but also the edges are white. So it's a really lovely effect that you get. And obviously it is a super fluffy, chunky yarn. So it's going to make an absolutely beautiful blanket. I'm going to make I think I'm just going to make a traditional granny square blanket with this. I didn't want anything too fancy. I just wanted something where I didn't have to be working into the tops of stitches, because that can get a little bit tricky with fluffy yarn. I just wanted something really simple that would show off this gorgeous colour combination to its best, really. So I've got 4 balls of it, and I'm just going to make a continuous granny square and just keep going until I've run out of yarn. So these are 100-gram balls, and in it you get approximately 120 meters, and it recommends a 5mm hook. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using a 5mm yet. I'm going to do a little swatch and see how I get on, because I'm not sure if I might be tempted to go up to a 6mm, just so that you get a much more soft and fluid piece, really. I don't want anything too stiff. So it's 100% polyester, as with most of the fluffy yarns, and like I say, this one is called Nap Time. There's a few other shades and they're all really, really nice. So I haven't really seen any of this used up particularly, so if you've seen any anywhere of finished projects, or if you have used it yourself, let me know what you made. It'd be really interesting to see. I do think there are tons and tons and tons of wonderful patterns out there for fluffy yarn, which I think would complement this yarn beautifully. I've made a tutorial recently in fluffy yarn on my channel for like a weave type stitch, which again would be brilliant for this yarn. But I just wanted to introduce you to it if it's not one that you've seen before. Obviously I think UK is only in, oh gosh, can't even speak. I think Hobbycraft is only really in the UK, but I still wanted to just let you know, in case there's places that might stock something like this further afield for you. So as I say, this is the Knitcraft Little Dreamer Chunky Fluffy Yarn. So rainbow, fluffy, super soft, it's a winner for me. These balls are, I think they were £4 each, so not too bad at all. And I think it's going to make the most incredible, soft and snuggly granny square blanket. But I will of course let you see it once it's finished. But that's it for this one, and I will see you again for a normal tutorial really, really soon. But thank you as always for watching, and bye for now.